MicroStrategy, the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, has purchased an additional 5,050 Bitcoins for $242.9 million in cash, at an average price of $48,099 per Bitcoin. MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor, in a tweet on Monday, publicly traded business intelligence firm MicroStrategy purchased 21,454 Bitcoin on Tuesday, effectively pouring all $250 million of its planned inflation hedging funds into the digital currency. MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor discussed these points in a press release with CoinDesk. Number 1. Disclosing its Bitcoin buy alongside an equivalent stock buyback in a Tuesday. Securities and Exchange Commission filling MicroStrategy, a Nasdaq-listed software firm worth over $1.2 billion, said the cryptocurrency provided a reasonable hedge against inflation. In a press statement shared with CoinDesk, this investment reflects our belief that Bitcoin, as the world's most widely adopted cryptocurrency, is a dependable store of value and an attractive investment with more long-term appreciation potential than holding cash, said CEO Michael J. Saylor. Number 2. Saylor cited forces working to weaken fiat currencies, COVID-19 global quantitative easing measures, political and economic uncertainty, but also the technical and qualitative aspects, he said, give the Bitcoin blockchain strength. Saylor said, we find the global acceptance, brand recognition, ecosystem vitality, network dominance, architectural resilience, technical utility, and community ethos of Bitcoin to be persuasive evidence of its superiority as an asset class for those seeking a long-term store of value. Number 3. The capital allocation quickly fulfills Saylor's late July promise to shareholders that MicroStrategy would buy back $250 million in stock and invest an additional $250 million in gold and Bitcoin over the next 12 months. The belief was that these and other alternative investments would protect MicroStrategy's dollar-heavy balance sheet. It is now clear that half of the $500 million bet turns entirely on Bitcoin. MicroStrategy has made Bitcoin the principal holding in its Treasury Reserve strategy, Saylor said. Other crypto insider news: Bitcoin traded with great volatility around $44,000 on Monday, as some traders were duped by a fake news release stating that Walmart is partnering with Litecoin. The cryptocurrency is roughly flat over the past 24 hours. Walmart stated that it had no knowledge of this fake press release. On Sunday, Cardano, an open-source public blockchain, issued a network upgrade dubbed Alonzo. The update is a key part of the Gauguin era, which focuses primarily on building smart contract capabilities. Cardano's ADA token is down about 10% over the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, long-term Bitcoin holders appears to be unshaken by the sell-off last week. Blockchain data shows a large accumulation of BTC occurred just between the $29,000 and $50,000 price levels. Buyers can either book a profit at current prices or defend support around the bottom of the 2-month price range. Crypto research firm Glassnode defines long-term holders as high-conviction buyers with BTC aged around 155 days. The firm also noted that peaks in LTH supply typically coincide with the late stage of a bear market. It is possible that investors accumulated positions after the May sell-off, although buying momentum has weakened over the past month. Meanwhile, blockchain data shows short-term Bitcoin holders selling at a loss below their cost basis. Some analysts believe that is a bullish sign. When short-term holders are in disbelief and unloading their bags, that's an indication of a start to the next bull run. While Solana funds outshined Bitcoin last week, crypto funds focused on Solana token garnered almost $50 million of inflows last week, while Bitcoin funds brought in a paltry $200,000. Solana's trading volume surged over the past month. The cryptocurrency rose 42%, compared with a 9% decline in Bitcoin over the same period. There's been a lot more interest institutionally. Sam Bankman-Fried, CEO of crypto derivatives exchange FTX, said during an interview with Bloomberg. Solana is one of the only blockchains that has a compelling long-term roadmap that will be eventually able to support industrial uses of crypto. Overall, crypto funds brought in $57 million of new money in 7 days through Friday, the 4th straight weeks of inflows. That's all for today's video. I hope you like it. See you in the next video.